Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to batch and resize your files to submit for the AP art test. The big takeaway is you need to change the height of all of your files to 530 pixels in order to fit. So to do this, the first thing you're going to do is make a folder that contains all of the files that you wish to resize. They should already be edited, cropped, and looking pretty good. Once you have this, copy the file, paste it, and rename it Test Files. From now on, you'll only be using your test file folder, and your original file is for backups only. So then, once you're in Photoshop, open up one file from your test file folder. Anyone is just fine. Once it's open, notice that by the file name, it's currently being viewed at 12.5%. Your percentage might be different, but if we were to view this 100% or actual size, you would see it's usually pretty large. We need it to fit on the screen. So to do that, you're going to go with this first file to image size and resize it. You could do this independently, or you can create an action so that it will happen to all of your files all at once. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So, go to Window, open Actions, and then in your Actions panel, you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click New Action. We're going to name this Test Files and press Record. Once we do that, this button will turn red, meaning every action we do will be recorded in your test file folder, and you can reuse these actions later. Go to Image, Image Size, and we're going to change the dimensions from inches to pixels. And the height, in order to fit on the AP test, needs to be 530. If you're only changing the height, and if your constrained proportions is already linked, then the width will automatically be adjusted for you. So you are only changing the height in pixels to 530. Press OK. And you'll notice it looks pretty small. If we view it 100%, it fits perfectly on the screen. That's the goal. To finish, File, Save, Close, and stop the action. To run this action, to resize all of them at once, you will go File, Automate, Batch. The action that I just created is already selected in the drop-down menu, but you can click and choose it if it isn't. And the source folder is the folder that we're going to be resizing. Remember, only using the test file folder from now on. So I'm going to my test file folder, and I'm going to select that folder. The destination, I just want to save it on top of itself. I already made a copy, so I don't need to do anything. Just choose Save and Close, and press OK. So I'm going to open up each image, resize each image, and save each image just like I asked it to do in the test file action. When you're done, log into your AP test and begin uploading each of these files into the appropriate fields of your AP art test. And when you're done, don't forget to press Save. That's it. You've started your AP test. Good luck!